Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most overlooked but incredibly profitable sports you can bet on, table tennis. Now I know what you're thinking. Really? Table tennis? But hear me out. This is where smart bettors make consistent profit quietly while everyone else is chasing big names and big leagues. In this, I'm going to break down everything you need to know. The best betting markets for table tennis. How to spot value. The traps to avoid. How to manage your bankroll. And how to use live betting to your advantage. And make sure you stay till the end, because I'll also show you how to spot suspicious or fixed matches and protect your money. Oh, and by the way, I drop daily table tennis picks and live value bets in my Telegram channel. It's 100% free. Link is in the description. Check it out. Let's get into it. So why table tennis? First off, it's nonstop action. Matches happen all day, every day, especially in leagues like the Setka Cup, TT Star Series, and international friendlies. There are literally hundreds of matches per week, and most of them are under the radar, meaning bookies don't invest heavy analytics into pricing the odds. That's where we get the edge. Also, table tennis is a very stats-driven sport. The better player usually wins, but momentum swings can be capitalized on, especially live. And because the markets are smaller, sharp bettors don't overcrowd them. It's you versus the bookie, and you actually have a fighting chance. Let's look at where the real money is made. 1. Over/under total points in a set. Great for balanced matchups. If both players are evenly matched, the game is likely to go 11-9 or even 12-10. That's perfect for overs. Look for odds in the 1.80 to 2.10 range. Don't take 1.30 odds just to feel safe. 2. Match winner with form filter. Don't just bet the favorite. Look at last 5 matches. How many 3-0 wins? Recovery rate after losing a set. Mental toughness and tiebreaks. Sometimes, underdogs at 2.40 odds offer more value than favorites at 1.45. 3. Set betting exact score. This is high risk, but high reward. Look for players who regularly win 3-0. If they're ranked much higher and dominate the first set, chances are they'll close out fast. 4. Live betting opportunities. This is where sharp bettors thrive. Let's say a favorite loses the first set. Odds shift massively. That's when you strike. Look for these. Odds spike after set 1 loss? Bet the favorite. Favorite loses 5 straight points but still has high win percent? Bet the set. Underdog wins first set? Take favorite to win match at new odds. If you're finding this helpful so far, and you actually want to start applying these tips today, then join my Telegram channel. I post live value plays, early picks, and in-game reactions every day. And yes, it's 100% free. No spam, just pure value. Link is in the description. You know what kills most bettors? Chasing losses. You need a system. Here's mine. Bet a flat stake every time. For example, if your bankroll is $200, use $4 per bet. Never stake more than 2% of your total bankroll on any bet. Max of 5 bets per day. You're not here to gamble. You're here to grow. This is the difference between guessing and analyzing. Use flash score or sofa score. Check. How many points each player wins on serve. How often they start slow versus finish strong. Win ratio in third sets or final deciders. For example, a player always wins set 1 but fades late? Fade him in set 3. Player goes 11-9, 11-9 every game? Bet over 18.5 points per set. Patterns equals profits. Let's talk real. Some matches are dodgy, especially in low-tier leagues. You can't control that, but you can avoid it. Here's what to look out for. Odds jump from 1.50 to 2.50 before the match? Red flag. Favorite loses 11-2 in set 1 with 0 effort? Skip it. 0 data on player, and matches being hammered? Avoid. Avoid low visibility leagues unless you have insider info. If you want something easy and effective. Step 1. Track 5 players daily, ones you understand and follow. Step 2. Bet only live when you can see form in real time. Step 3. Use only 2 markets. Over/under set points. Live set winner after down start. Keep it simple. Avoid chasing. And log your bets to learn over time. So there you have it. Your full to profitable table tennis betting. We covered value markets, live momentum, bankroll safety, and how to avoid the traps. Now it's time to act. YW Checkmark join the Telegram channel for daily plays, real-time tips, and community insights. Link is in the description. Envelope with arrow, drop a comment. Have you bet on table tennis before? What's your biggest win? Thumbs up like this video if you learned something. Subscribe if you're serious about long-term profit. And as always, stay sharp. Bet smart. See you in the next one.